Alright, I have a donor 904 transmission for the New Yorker. This came out of the wagon probably like 20 years ago. So probably need to just rebuild it, be done with it. Instead of pulling that trans out and having the car sitting for a week or two with no transmission in it. So looked online and there should be some numbers under here, I hope. So we'll see if we can find the numbers so you can see what year transmission this is. Hoping there's something here. And let's see. Oh, there's numbers right there. Look at that. I can zoom in on it. There it is. Alright, I'm back with a flashlight here so you can see the numbers. Got PK405 83 98 8223 7798. Let's go check the Cope Racing Trans website and see what year this guy is, and then we'll go from there. I also noticed this is not the original transmission for that wagon, because this is a lockup converter transmission, which they did not have in '68. So this unknown transmission will hopefully take the code and kind of figure out what it's from. I checked out the Cope Racing Transmissions website, and according to the 1000-day calendar that he has listed on there for Mopar transmissions, you can check out the second to last set of numbers on the transmission case, figure out what year our transmission is. So our transmission had numbers 8223 on the side, which would put us between 84 and 85. So I'm guessing this is a 999 transmission. Everything in here looks fairly decent. Everything's loose. It's not too dirty inside. We'll look inside the transmission. Everything looks pretty clean. No burnt, dirty fluid. Everything's free. Pretty inside. So it's time to start pulling the valve body off and taking it all apart and see what we got. Got all the good stuff, all the small parts, valve body, bolts, and everything in the pan here. Gotta go through all that stuff and clean it. Got everything out of the case. Need to clean it up a little bit. Order a few new parts. I have my extra trans all apart. Everything looks fairly decent inside. These bushings look alright. Don't see any major damage. Looks pretty good. I did see some nice hot spots on these plates, but those should be in the new kit. This front band is toast. You see all the cracks on the front band. This thing was usually overheated at one time. The rear band doesn't look as bad, but I see a lot of edges kind of being broken away. So I'm just going to replace that too. Everything on the main shaft looks pretty good. All the surfaces look really nice. Just clean it up a little bit, replace all the seals. Bearing doesn't make any big noises. Best thing you can have working on these transmissions is a factory service manual. Shows you how everything goes together, torque specs, Good information to have. Definitely need to find a manual for what you're working on, or something close to what you're working on, since these transmissions really didn't change a whole lot over the years. This is all Unfinished Project's fault. Blaming Unfinished Project. You made me tear the transmission apart. I guess it was good I took it apart, because it definitely needs a rebuild.